Hello everyone, day 127 here, Industrial Fabrication Company. I need to get out the door here. Unfortunately, I did not hit record on the first take, so this second take will maybe be a little more condensed. But we made great progress on the platform today, and this morning was able to share ways that the team has already done a good job. On even just on the second one of eliminating waste. So we went through, we had overproduction. We were before, we'd cut something, and we were cutting just as much as we need, but then if there was stuff left on a beam or that we hadn't cut, we'd then take it off and put it back on. So then we were having these extra steps in overprocessing of moving things back on and off. We were then having to keep inventory of things in a middle state, as compared to now we have things either ready to be cut and like untouched, or fully cut and ready to go. Have that. So then I had less inventory we're keeping track of, less motion of moving material on and off, and having to physically do that, and less waiting for the customer. This enabled us to we delivered the first one on time. This next one's going to be delivered early, and then we also have minimized defects by being able to take those learnings and cycle them back through. If we're fitting something up at the end and we realize that's a problem that we can fix down at the start, now we've only made that problem on one instead of all four. And like I explained yesterday, we had some other defects that we were able to fix. And in that, because we're always thinking of these ways that we can do it better, and we're not just doing a bunch of work and here, cut 200 of these, we're able to think more critically and utilize that human talent and the genius that people have that are working here. That was great. For this frame, the customer came out and we did a lift test with an ecology block hanging beneath it, passed with flying colors. They're really happy about that. And as I was explaining yesterday, I had that cardboard template so that we can make sure the masking. We actually learned from the customer that underneath the powder coat, or underneath the anode, the powder coat is not really too big of a problem. So that was something we learned, that helped our process and helped minimize defects going forward. And yeah, in doing that, I needed a clipboard for the inspection sheet that we had, and I realized that was something I didn't have readily available, so just hung that up by the door. And yeah, all in all, we're rocking and rolling, and you're ready for another good one tomorrow. Sign off for now.